Hi there, Bridget Mackay at the law offices of Bridget Mackay here in Petaluma, California. I want to talk to you a little bit about the Medi-Cal program for long-term care. You might have seen some other videos I've done throughout the years about long-term Medi-Cal. We're trying to refresh some of these, get more clear. And today I want to talk a little bit about this term spend down. It's a Medi-Cal term. It's sort of a term of art that we use in this type of practice. But essentially what it means is taking someone who is over assets to qualify for Medi-Cal. A little side note, remember that you can only have $2,000 if you're a single person seeking this program in exempt assets. And if you're a married couple and one spouse needs to seek the use of this program, the couple as a total can only have $126,420. Those numbers change, or the couple number change. The single person one doesn't change, unfortunately, or hasn't so far. In not what Medi-Cal considers exempt assets to apply to Medi-Cal. Many of us in California have more than that. And so the spend down is used to get those families down to those asset levels in order to apply to Medi-Cal. Spend down can be done in so many different ways. When you work with our office, we probably add on another plateful of different ways to spend down. But for the purposes of this video, for people who are just trying to get information, the most primary advice I give around spend down is that spend it on things that are exempt in your assets. So if you own a house and you apply to Medi-Cal, Medi-Cal does not count the value of your home in qualifying you. So one of the first places folks can spend down is to either pay off a mortgage, upgrade a kitchen, put the money into the house, because you are preserving the value of that house and you are at the same time spending down. Other ways are designating an account for funeral plans. Medi-Cal allows you to designate $1,500 for a funeral services and arrangements. I realize it's not nearly enough to do a funeral, but that is the amount Medi-Cal regulatorily allows you to keep in addition to that $126,000. Things like jewelry are exempt assets, so you can, I guess, buy more jewelry. Not many clients, or people are willing to do that. You can have one car, so maybe upgrade your car. So those are sort of the limited ways that are acceptable things to which you can spend down your assets that are over for Medi-Cal before you go to apply. Again, if you are wanting to go outside that perimeter of spend down, talk to a qualified attorney who practices in this area, because it's a very regulatory area of law and very confusing if you don't know what you're doing, and very dangerous if you slip up. You could disqualify your loved one from even applying for up to 30 months. So it's a very serious action you're taking on behalf of your loved one, and you want to make sure that you're doing it right. So give us a call if you need help with it, or any other attorney that practices in that area. My most important advice is always seek help when you're spending down.